Heartwarming Acts of Kindness That Will Make You Cry, 2024. Stories of human kindness often have a more powerful ripple effect than ever. They remind us of compassion and humanity in the most challenging and hopeless times. Subscribe to our channel to begin this heartwarming journey. Students orchestrated a special surprise for their teacher on his birthday. The teacher's response moved the students to tears.
I've never had a birthday cake before.
Oh, really?
Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate it. Enjoy, have a good night. Bye-bye. Say hello, bud. Enjoy your pizza. No, we might be sick.
You're so nice.
This adorable little child rushed to hug goodbye the pizza delivery man. And for him, the hug meant more than ever, as he had just lost his daughter. When this ambulance was urgently responding but stuck due to road construction, the passengers got out together to remove signs and roadblocks. They did this to ensure the ambulance could reach its destination quickly. Upon learning the delivery driver was deaf, the 8-year-old girl waited outside to use some sign language she had learned at school to communicate with him. The driver expressed joy in being able to communicate with her and looked forward to her every time he made a delivery. This boy received a teddy bear from his dad. Initially disappointed, his face gradually turned emotional upon hearing his late mother's voice coming from the teddy bear.
Antonio and tell him that Mommy loves him. Give me a big hug. I love you. Mike just called me and said Mom is dead.
After this girl found out about her mother's passing, she was sobbing uncontrollably while calling relatives to deliver the sad news. Neighbors heard her cries from the street, approached her knowing she was alone, and decided to comfort her with a hug until her family arrived.
It's just a little water. Really?
Does everyone want an amazing older brother like this? If so, comment 1 below this video. Because this girl didn't have a date for prom, her family organized a special prom night for her at home.
Oh, look at you.
Upon learning that her server was expecting and working diligently to make ends meet, they decided to ask her one thing. They wanted to tip her $1,300 for this Christmas season.
This is $1,300.
No,
Yes.
I cannot do that.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Come here, squeeze it.
Anytime.
After their young son passed away, the family makes it a tradition to dine out and leave a large tip for their server on his birthday every year. Here's the server's reaction upon receiving a $1,000 tip.
Hundreds of people contributed to it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hopefully it's your biggest tip you've ever had.
When the delivery driver saw an 81-year-old woman struggling to shovel snow from her driveway, he stopped his truck, got out, and offered to help, deciding to do more than his job required. Upon seeing an elderly woman struggle to climb stairs, the young boy quickly ran to help. Throughout the process, he ensured her safety. This action truly restores our faith in the kindness of the younger generation. The mother holding this child quickly realized her son was choking on food. Despite everyone's efforts, things were becoming desperate. At this moment, a woman from a nearby table rushed over and decisively performed the Heimlich maneuver, saving the child.
Oh, it's this package. Will you put it on? Is that it? Oh man.
Would you agree to a job like this delivery person's?
Happy birthday, dear puppy. Happy birthday to you.
This little buddy has autism and dislikes noise or hair touching him. So the barber came up with a way to make him comfortable by playing a fun game. And it really works wonders for the boy. It was his first ever birthday party, and it moved him to tears with emotions.
Abraham, happy birthday to you.
Hey, that's a Marvin card.
Yes, it is. You have to make the lid. You have to make the lid.
Blow out the candle.
Hurry up, make it. Abraham. 3, 2, 1. Yay!
When the father took his little daughter out to celebrate her birthday, he surprised her with a beautiful decorated dessert and an emotionally charged party. What he didn't expect was for the girl to get up and run to hug him, showing deep gratitude. As he exited the convenience store, he saw thick snow falling and a dog curled up outside. He went back inside, bought some food, and fed the dog. Only then did the dog stand up and start eating. She was deeply moved to tears when she saw her dad shaving his own head to cheer her up before she started chemotherapy for cancer. She is pregnant and struggles to stand up, but her dogs are smart and instantly able to assist their owner. This elderly man has Parkinson's disease and was trying to read a newspaper on the train. Due to his trembling hands, he couldn't keep the paper steady. A stranger sitting opposite reached out to hold the paper steady for him, allowing him to read calmly. Every day she goes to give candy to children working in the fields in Africa. They always take only one candy, even when offered two, expressing gratitude but refusing more. She says she has done similar acts in many places and is amazed by the kindness of the people here. This birthday party was organized by hospital staff for a boy undergoing treatment there. They hoped he wouldn't feel lonely on his birthday. She is blind, and her daily commute is a significant challenge. However, her father, always her protector and encourager, provided the extra motivation she needed to overcome obstacles and achieve her dreams.
Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm right here, I'm right here, I'm right here. She does it. She does it now. She does it.
12 radio, this male just stepped out of the vehicle.
A police officer pulled over a man for speeding.
Have a seat.
Initially, Everything proceeded normally until the man got out of his car and became confrontational. Fortunately, bystanders recognized the difficult situation the officer was in and rushed to help. This college student worried about getting into big trouble when pulled over for speeding, explaining he was running late for an important presentation and couldn't tie his tie. Instead of issuing a ticket, the sympathetic officer helped him tie his tie.
Looks good.
Thank you.
All right, man, slow down.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and share it with your loved ones. And before saying goodbye, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our other interesting videos.